Hey Algebra, what you're going to be working on for Wednesday is 12 more problems solving literal equations. It seemed like yesterday in class, some of you guys were really starting to get it, and some of you needed more practice. I'll also try to post an answer key for Monday's assignment by mid-morning, maybe early afternoon, so you can check your work to see if you're on the right track. Let me help you on some of the Wednesday problems. Number 1, 2, and 3 we actually worked during that Desmos activity that we did in class yesterday. If you weren't there, I would check out the PowerPoint. There's some practice problems where you can work them and then see what other people in your class answered to see if your answer is the same as theirs. So let me go ahead and work one that looks hard. I'd like to start, I'll work number 8. So problem number 8 says A equals 1/2 H times the quantity B plus C. There's a couple different things I could do. I could distribute 1/2 H to the term inside the parentheses, but that would just make more things multiplied by B. I think it would make the problem more complicated rather than simpler. I could divide it by 1/2 H, but I honestly don't remember the rules for division when it comes to fractions. So my first step is going to be to multiply everything by 2 to get rid of that fraction. So multiply everything in the parentheses by 2. And when I do that, I get 2A equals 1/2 H goes away. So H, B plus C. All right, still solving for B. So I have H times the quantity. I'm going to divide by H to get the H away from the outside of the parentheses. And I cancel that, and that gives me 2A over H equals B plus C. Last thing I need to get B alone is to get rid of this plus C. So I'm going to do the inverse. I'm going to subtract C. And if I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other also. My C's cancel. And I'm left with 2A over H minus C equals B. So that's going to be your final answer for number 8. I know it looks complicated, but you're just figuring out what step would I do next to make this problem simpler. If you try one out and it doesn't seem like it helps, you can always cross it out and go back. If you have any questions, you're welcome to send me an email, or I'd really like to see some of you guys in office hours, especially if you wanted to work all of these problems together. Bye, Algebra!